understanding UI components, which includes buttons, inputs, text, etc. This lesson will help you understand and confidently use the core UI components that is available in Uizard. Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. Now that you have successfully explored the templates, it is time to get hands-on with the building blocks of any interface, that is the UI components. So guys, in this lesson we will cover the essentials, which includes buttons, text, input fields, images and more. Now these components are what you will use to bring your design to life, screen by screen. So guys, let's go ahead to click on our project. Remember, we created my first app UI previously. Alright, so guys, let's go ahead to click on this project, and when we do that, we are presented with a new screen. Alright, so guys, let's start with this blank screen here on our canvas. You can as well click on screen right here and then add an empty screen. I will go ahead to take away one screen. Alright, let's click on this screen to take it away, and that's beautiful guys. So guys, let's go ahead and start with the button, which is one of the most essential interactive elements in any app or site. Now when you come right here, you can see where my mouse cursor is on. Click on button, and when you do that, you can choose any button of your choice and then drag to your canvas. And once you drag it onto your canvas, you can customize the label, the color, and even the corner radius. All you have to do is just click on the button like this, and when you do that, the right hand panel shows all of your options. Alright, you can come right here where it says more option, and when you click on this, you can see the layout of the button. It can be changed. Alright, you can see the icons of the buttons. You can change the icon of this button. Alright, you can see all of the available icons right here, and that's fine. You can as well come right here to change the button text to your desired button text. Alright, you can see all of the button text right here. Alright, you can change your button text, and that's fine. You can as well change the color of this text to your desired color. You can also change the size of this button text. You can as well align the button text either to the left, to the center, to the right, or justify this button text. Alright, you can bolden it, you can make it an italics, and that's fine. Additionally, you can change the style of this button. Alright, the fill, the border, and then additionally you can change the corner radius to either sharp, hard, rounded, soft, or circular. You can also change the shadows, all right, and that's fine. And then you can also group your buttons and also ungroup your buttons, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's go ahead to drag this button onto the screen, and that's beautiful. Now let's close this down. So guys, the next in line is the text component, which is used for heading, paragraphs, labels, and more. Now let's go ahead to click on the text right here, and when you do that, you can choose from styles like heading, subheading, body text, and you can as well format everything from text size to alignment. So guys, let's go ahead to choose this text. Now you can see that we have a text right here. All right, now let's also go ahead to change this text to welcome to my app. So I would double click and then I would say welcome to my app. And that's fine. Now let's also go ahead to change the style as a heading style. So I would come right here where it says pick a different style for this component, and then I would go ahead to click on the header style. Now let's change this to welcome, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's also go ahead to add an input field. These input fields are used for user data like login forms, search bars, or feedback field. All right, let's close this down. Now, in order to add your input field, all you have to do is to come right here and then click on form, and when you do that, you can now come right here and then drag any input field of your choice onto the canvas. All right, now let's drag this onto the canvas. You can also click on it and then come right here on the placeholder, click on the placeholder, and then for the text, for example, you can come right here and then say enter your email. So let's come right here and then let's say enter your email, and that's fine. All right, you can also switch between input types like the single line input types, the password input types, drop down input types, the checkbox input type, the radio button input type, the switch button input types, the slider input types, the drop down input types, the input fields of different types. All right, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, let's go ahead to add some image and icons. It is important to understand that visuals are very important too. All right, Uizard lets you to add images and icons easily. So you can add an image block, upload a photo, All right, you can also upload your own image or use the built-in icon library. Now let's go ahead to add an icon or an image. So come right here and then click on image, and when you do that, you can see several images right here. All right, you can also come right here to click on upload, where you can upload your images. All right, when you click on this upload icon, it takes you to your images that are stored on your PC, or should I say on your machine. And that's beautiful, guys. You can also come right here to click on icons, where you can choose to add your avatar icons. All right, you can also search user, and when you do that, you can find all of your avatar icons right here. Or let's go ahead to choose any icon right here to add. So I'll go ahead to add this person icon, and when I do that, you find that we have an icon right here. And that's beautiful, guys. Now the next in line is organizing component. So guys, at this stage, it is important to understand that each component right here can be resized, aligned, and grouped with others. Uizard uses Smart Guide to help you to space your element evenly. So go ahead to select multiple elements and then align them to center, or also group them. You can see you can group them. All right, you can also change their styles. You can align them to the top, you can align them to the left, you can align them to the center, you can also align them to the right. You can as well align them to the top, you can align them also to the middle, and then you can also align components to the bottom. Additionally, you can distribute components evenly horizontally, and then finally you can distribute components evenly vertically. All right, and that's beautiful, guys. Now let's undo all that we have done, and to undo, you can come right here where you can see my mouse cursor, and then you click on undo, or you can redo. Now let's undo all that we have done, and that's beautiful, guys. Now this makes your design cleaner and also helps you to save time when making layout changes, and that's beautiful, guys. So guys, now you know how to use the key UI elements in Uizard, from button and text to input fields and icons. In the next lesson, we will build your first custom screen by combining these elements into a real layout. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.